So you deleted your TikTok app on your Android phone. How to get it back without having to go through the Play Store. Let me show you real quick.
Alright guys, so if you guys know, TikTok was banned at one point, and then it's still not available for the App Store or Google Play Store. So with Android devices, you can download the APK, which is basically the file that they use to install applications. I'm gonna go ahead and turn down my brightness so you can see a little bit better. So basically what you want to do, if you go to the Play Store, I have it installed, so I don't know if it's going to come up on here. TikTok. Yeah, so if you go to the Play Store, it's going to say downloads for this app are paused due to current legal US requirements. So basically, open up Google Chrome, whatever it is that you use for the internet, and you're going to just search TikTok APK. And then you're going to go to, there's a lot of websites that offer it. You just click I just clicked the first one. And then it's going to basically give you a download file button. You click on that. It's going to download it to your downloads app. Do I have a file manager here? Yeah, right here. Continue, allow. So you basically go to downloads here, and it'll appear right there. What you want to do is you want to click on that, and it's going to ask you something like this. For security, your phone currently isn't allowed to install unknown apps from this source. And you click on settings, and you do allow from this source, and then it's going to obviously want to install the app, and you click on mine. It's update because I already have TikTok installed, but you want to put install, and it'll go through the whole install, and boom, you got TikTok again. So that is basically it. You guys subscribe to my YouTube channel, almost at 2,000 subscribers, and basically I review phones and social media on the phones itself, because we know that Android is kind of behind. I would say not too far behind now from iPhones, but they certainly do not do as well. So my job is to go into each social media app, see how it performs on social media, see if it's good enough for some content creators, and that's basically what I do on my YouTube. So go ahead and go over there, subscribe. Let me know if this video helped. I've been doing the APK file download install since Android came out back early 2008 or 9 or something like that. With the first Droids, we would use to always download the APKs, because some of the APKs were only accessible for other Android phones, so we would download APKs and install it on the phone. So that's basically what you do. Let me know if this helped, and yeah, like and subscribe.